welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lujo Box for the month of September. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you that I will be announcing a contest. So Scriber and Lujo has come up with a contest, and it's a really big contest because the winner will be getting a 6-month subscription box of Lujo, which is amazing. Okay, so winner will be getting 6-month subscription of Lujo Box, and though I will be telling you all about this contest, but that's in the end. First, let's quickly open this and see what all products are there in our September month's edition. So first thing is this box. So you will be receiving all the product in this box, square box, quite sturdy box. So you can just keep this box to store some of your products. Now, the next thing is the card. This is the info card and it says September edition. Let's start with the first one. The first one is by Eleanor and this is the eyeshadow. So this is the outer cover. And the shade name is E02 Clover is the name. And this is how the inside palette looks like. Let me just open it and show you. So it has one mirror here, which I'm closing it right now. And it comes with these two brushes and you can just see the colors. So for me, the colors are really nice because first of all, I don't really wear too much of eyeshadows. And whenever I wear eyeshadow, I just prefer certain colors, something like this. So yes, super happy, and it's very compact, very sleek packing. So yes, love it. The price for this one is 695 rupees. Now, moving on to the second one. The second one is from one of my favorite brand, which is Nature's Go. So this is a lip scrub, bleachy lip scrub. And this is how it looks. This says brown sugar gently exfoliate the lips, making them soft and smooth, while lychee's moisturizing property will renew the layers and protect against extreme climate. You just have to take some, just rub it on your lips and then you're good to go. So yes, like it. The price for this one is 595 rupees. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is from Aura de Purity. This is a natural skincare range, Peach Bath Bomb Fizz. So this is the product. 100 gram is the quantity. The price for this one is 500 rupees. Ingredients is it has jojoba oil, sea salt, coconut oil, Epsom salt and essential oil. So looks nice. You just have to put this in your warm water and you can just take a shower afterwards. And this will relieve your pain, muscle cramps and soreness. So looks nice. I'm definitely going to try it. Moving on to the next one. The next one is a nail paint and this is by Keska. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Keska, and the shade name is Naked Red. This is how it looks. So the color is red. So yes, useful shade. Everyone needs a red shade in their makeup kit, you can say. So yes, happy. I'm definitely going to try it. The price for this one is 533 rupees. Now I'm left with the last one. Last one is a lipstick by Swiss Beauty and this is the chubby lipstick. This is how it looks. They total have 4 different shades. You will be getting a random shade. I've got this. This is the 208 red shade. And of course, the name is red and this is how it looks. See. So this is the shade. Really happy with this one because yes, you can see I can use this color. I love bright shades. The price for this one is 399 rupees. So that's all what I have received in my Lujo box for September month. The total worth of all the product is 2700 plus, which is amazing because you are just paying 750 rupees. As I promised you that I will be telling you all about this contest. So Scriber and Lujo Box has come up with this contest, which starts today from 8 o'clock and it ends Sunday midnight. I will be mentioning everything in the description box, but still I'm telling you what you have to do. You just have to answer 4 simple questions and then you can enter into the lucky draw. And if you win, the first winner will get 6-month subscription box of Lujo Box. The second winner will get 3-month subscription box of Lujo Box, and don't worry, all others who will answer correct, they will also get some exciting prizes, which is amazing, I guess. So hurry up guys, I will be giving you a link. Just click on that and there you can play this contest and you might win. So yes, hurry up, try your luck for sure. And that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.